Today I'm going to talk about multiplying decimals. Multiplying decimals has only one difference from multiplying whole numbers, but it is an important one. When you multiply two whole numbers like 3 times 4, you get 3 groups of 4, and that gives you the number 12. The number gets larger. But when you multiply a whole number by a number less than 1, like a decimal is, in this case 3 times 4/10, the number actually gets smaller. The answer to this problem would be 1 and 2/10. Let's see how that happens. In this case, 26 times 1 and 4/10, we're going to multiply exactly as we do multiplying whole numbers. So let me go ahead and do this. 8 is 10. Put my x. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And then I'm going to add up my numbers. So that's going to give me 4, 6, and 3. Now, what's the big deal? What's the difference in a decimal? Well, in this case, we're going to look back at the number 4/10 and realize that there is a single digit behind the decimal. If that's the case, then our answer needs to have a single digit behind the decimal. So in this case, the answer is 36 and 4/10. Did you notice that we didn't have to try and line up decimals when we multiply them, unlike when we're trying to add decimals? Yay! But we do still have to remember something, and that is moving the decimal place over. Go ahead and hit pause and try to solve 9 7/10 times 72 on your own, and then when you get done, come back and see how I did it. Okay, let's see how you did. 7 times 2, 14, carry the 1. 2 times 9, 18, plus 1 is 19. I'm going to put my x here. 7 times 7 is 49. Let's put a 4. Oops. 7 times 9, 63, plus 4, 67. Let's add those up. That's going to be 4. 18, carry the 1, 7, 8, 9, and 6. We done? No. There's that decimal. A single digit is behind it, so the answer is 698 and 4/10. Let's try another together. Go ahead and copy this problem down and solve it on your own, and then come back and see how I did it. You ready to solve? 4 times 9, 6. Carry the 3. 27. Plus 3 is 30. Move over 1. 7 times 4 is 8. 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. Let's add that. Look at 6, 8, 6, and 2. So, how'd we do? Oh, how many places are behind the decimal point this time? Did you notice that there were 3? 1, 2, 3. How did you do? Did you get 2 and 686 thousandths? I kind of tried to trick you. But you can see that in every case, all we do is simple multiplication and then pay attention to how many digits are behind the decimal. I'm going to go ahead and assign you your homework right now. Copy the 4 problems down and then solve them and bring them in. Please make sure you copy the problems correctly, solve them on your piece of paper turned horizontally, and bring that in with you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.